Hello there, beautiful people. Today I am taking a look at the Impressed You 35 color palette eyeshadow by Beauty Glazed. And a little bit about the product. It's a 35 color eyeshadow palette, long lasting, waterproof, safe, highly pigmented, and it's best applied with a brush. Maximum payoff. If you want, for maximum payoff of color, it says to apply with your fingertips. It has foiled texture, delivery, and it is cruelty free, which we like to keep those bunnies from getting tested on, which is a really great thing. So like I said, it's a 30 color palette, and let me show you what it comes with. So it's got it says here, Beauty Glazed Impressed You. And if you count here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's 35. So I'm going to go through and just take a color from each line to show you what the colors look like. So here's a brush. This is like a nice orangey color, and if I was to use my finger, the color is a lot brighter. So I'm actually going to, instead of using the brush, I'm going to use my fingers. So that's like a nice orangey color, which you can, I'll try the brush too, that you can build on. So it's a buildable color. And let's go with this one. There's no names on the colors, so this is a similar color, more, a little less orangey, and it comes out like that. So there's that. Let's do the pink here. This is a really nice pink, really beautiful, really nice, good for your eyebrow bone so that it reflects and gives you a nice shiny point on your face that to focus on, which would be the highest crease in your eyebrow. Okay, let's take a look. Let's look at this fun green here. This one is really pigmented. It's really nice. And that actually, it's more of a turquoise than it is a green, but it's very pretty. And out of this row, let's go with the blue. Let's see what that looks like. There's hair on my arm, so you can see that. So yeah. Those are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the colors. I'm going to go through and just do a couple more just to show you how the pigments are in this eyeshadow palette. This is a purple. Maybe it's actually a blue. No, it should be a purple. Yeah, that's a purple. So that's a really nice purple. And it gives you basically base colors that you can blend all over the eyelid and then go in to the crease and put in these darker colors so you can do kind of a smoky eye. And I think it even comes with it's a dark brown here. I'm running out of space on my arm. Yeah, that's definitely a dark brown right there. And I think this is a black. See if you want to do a smoky eye. These are your guys right here. Dark brown and the black. So I have no complaints about this. It's a good price. It'll last me for a while. And I think that I would give it a 4 out of 5. It's not perfect, but it's good. It's really good. And like I always say, don't take my word for it. Try it yourself. The Impressed You Beauty Glazed eyeshadow palette, and with 35 colors. And there's some information about it, but it says to apply gently with a brush, but the foiled textures deliver the maximum payoff when applied with fingertips. So definitely check this out. Like I always say, don't take my word for it, try it yourself. And thanks so much for watching.